Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome to a Moto showcase video on the Zero Bros channel. Today we will be changing out the stock exhaust of the 2019 Yamaha R3 to a aftermarket Akrapovic Endcan. So as you can see over here, the up close of the Akrapovic Endcan with a very nice carbon finish to it. Over here we have some tools. You have the exhaust hanger, which is also in carbon fiber, and the other linkages. This part right here, I guess, is supposed to go in here and into the catalytic converter. The springs to connect the end can to the mid pipe, I would say. Let's start removing the stock exhaust. I'm using a size 10 socket wrench, and I should be taking out a nut below over here. So the socket wrench onto this bolt over here, size 10. Okay, the top part of the exhaust hanger, using a size 12 of the same tool. So I'm using like a spanner or wrench to hold the nut at the back before putting the size 12 socket into the bolt. Untighten it. May seem a little tough. Oops. So the bolt is loosened. Just take it out, and time to pull off the stock end can. Over here we have the stock exhaust. I would say is pretty heavy. You have like 2 heat guards over here, which is actually not very necessary, I guess, just to make the exhaust look bigger. The matte finish just to match with the matte black color of the bike. So now we'll be preparing the aftermarket exhaust to be put on. Okay, so before we put on the aftermarket exhaust, I need to put like this metal gasket into the opening over here, so it fits into the mid pipe over there, as you can see. Let me just knock this in. Seems okay. On the next part, I have this spring holder, so unscrew it, and on this part you actually have to kind of expand the spring holder to fit into the groove. I don't know if you all can see over here, there's a groove on the mid pipe, so it holds the spring holder in place. Okay, so time to join the Endcan to the mid pipe. Over here I have something to tighten both of these two together. Just slot this thing in. Put it over here. So now that the Endcan is in place, all we have to do now is to tighten the inner bolt and the outer bolt over here, and to join it together with a spring underneath, behind over here. Okay, so lastly, all I have to do is just to put on the exhaust hanger. Slot it back, something like this, and to put it in place I have a screw and two washers, one for the front, another on the back. And once after I'm done putting it in place, I'll show you the overall look on the aftermarket Akrapovic exhaust. So this is the outcome of the Akrapovic Endcan finally installed on the bike. Looks very nice. The black carbon finish fits the color of the bike. So on the next video, I'll be doing a sound check on the next Moto showcase, and also we'll be doing a test run on the next Motovlog as well. So if you like the video, please press the like button, subscribe to the channel, also follow our Facebook and Instagram page, the Zero Bros Motovlog.